Welcome to part 1 of our training for Airfob Space. For those of you who don't know, Airfob Space is the first completely cloud-hosted and cloud-managed access control system. It allows you to manage both traditional access control readers as well as digital door locks using the same back-end system. There's some key advantages to the way that we've set up Airfob Space. That includes the unlimited scale in terms of both readers and users, the ability to use both mobile credentials and RFID cards so that you can use your smartphone as your key, and you can use access control readers that are not connected to the network when you are just using mobile credentials. Since it's all managed in the cloud, it's extremely easy to connect to our SDK and API and connect it to the workplace apps that you're already using. And we've eliminated door controllers and the need for on-premise servers, which radically reduces upfront costs. Getting started with Airfob Space, there are a few key things that you'll need. First off, there are 3 apps in our suite. The first is our Airfob Partner Portal. The Partner Portal is exclusively for our value-added resellers and allows them to create new sites and distribute credits to those sites. The Airfob Pro Portal is the software that you'll use to manage each individual site. It's available on the web as well as iOS and Android apps. Finally is Airfob Space, the end user app that you actually use to open doors. That's available for both iOS and Android. You'll also need Airfob compatible hardware. That could include one of our Airfob Edge readers, the regular reader or the Ultimate reader, an Airfob patch, which instantly upgrades existing readers to work with our mobile credentials, or the Airfob tag, which instantly updates and upgrades existing digital door locks to work with our mobile credentials as well. We're also integrating our technology with door locks from other manufacturers as well, so they'll work right out of the box with Airfob credentials. Here's a quick look at the Airfob Pro portal that gives you consolidated control over one site or many from anywhere in the world, and the Airfob Pro app as well for iOS or Android. As you can see, you have a dashboard, you have complete control over schedules, you can update all of your readers very easily, remotely, and you can manage all of your users from anywhere in the world as well. And we've done this in a way for our customers in Europe that is GDPR compliant. And here's a quick look at the Airfob Space app. It has a wallet-based design so that you can easily switch between access cards and securely store all of your access credentials in one app. You don't actually need to select a credential to open the door. The reader tells the app which credential it needs, and the app automatically responds with the right validation. In addition to this, you can use this app in background mode so that you don't need to have the phone screen on or the app on screen to open doors. Now, Airfob Space is a paid service, so you'll need credits to use the service on your site. The base fee is 5 credits per month, and that covers you for up to 5 readers and 500 users. If you want to add an additional reader, that's 1 additional credit per month. Adding 100 additional active users is another 1 credit per month. We also allow you to send SMS invitations rather than email invitations so that your users can get cards via SMS rather than having to check their email. In some cases, for example, they won't have a corporate email address, so it's more convenient to receive a text message instead. And the number of SMS credits you'll get per credit will vary by country. In terms of when credits start to become important, let me explain. You can start a site, you can set up a site without any credits in your account at all. This is because we do not start charging until generally the third month. Let me explain this very clearly. In the first calendar month that you set up a new site, it's absolutely free. So if you set it up on the 15th day of the month, then you get approximately 2 weeks that are absolutely free. The next month, the first day of the next month, the clock starts ticking and we start to calculate how many credits you'll need for that month. So if you have 5 or fewer readers and 500 or fewer users, you'll need just 5 credits for that month. Those credits will be deducted on the first day of the following month. So like I said, you don't need any credits initially to set up a new site.